Are you someone who feels low vibes? Like, let's say you have had a good night's sleep and yet you get up in the morning and still feel lethargic and drained out, as if your battery has not been recharged. Do you want to feel better? Hey there, welcome to yet another video from Mind Body Souls. At Mind Body Souls, we are a tribe of people who love to empower and transform other people's lives. We love the topics of law of attraction, meditation, manifestation, self-help, positive psychology, so on and so forth. And my name is Diptii Lawreince. I'm the owner-founder of Mind Body Souls. So today's topic is how to be energetic throughout the day. Are you ready to rock on? So let's get into it. Just imagine you having oodles and oodles of energy day in and day out. Well, that's what happens when you live a life of passion and do the things that you really love. Also, it is very important to belong to a bigger project than yourself. Overthinking, inconsistent sleep patterns, eating junk food, carrying the baggage of the past, and toxic people. These are the things that you should avoid. Drinking lots of water and keeping yourself hydrated, making time out for your hobbies every day, hanging out with your friends or family, anybody who makes you feel really good, and taking care of your mental health. These are the things that you should do. Remember, self-care is how you take your power back. It's totally uncool to blame situations and people outside of yourselves. So let's be responsible and take control of our own happiness. Let's stop playing the victim card and become the victor. It is possible for me and for you. See, no one else can do this for you. No counselor can do this for you. Maybe they can tell you ways, they can tell you tips and techniques and methods, but they cannot really do it for you. And life does not really come with a magic wand, wherein we just swish it and flick it and things turn out to be fine. We have to be consistent and persistent in wanting to achieve our goals. I hope this video inspired you to take action, and if it did, please go ahead and like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Lots of love. Take care.